Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and this is the Crest Whitening Emulsion in the applicator wand. This is an awesome product. It helped me to get rid of the stains on my teeth like that. It's amazing. It has this little wand that all you need to do is use it 4 times a day. Carry it with you wherever you go. It's so easy to apply. You just take the wand, apply the emulsion onto the tip of the wand, put it on your teeth, make sure your teeth are dry, and just let it stay there. In minutes, your teeth will whiten. You will go from having stained teeth to having a brighter smile. I love the fact that it's easy to do. I love the fact that I can do it anywhere. I love the fact that it's not harmful, it doesn't taste bad, and it works. I love it. It comes with a little stand so you can put the emulsion and the wand on your vanity or in your bathroom so that you can have it there when you need it. It's 0.88 ounces and it lasts a long time. And it's reasonably priced. I love it. So if you're looking to get rid of stains from tea or coffee or red wine, try the Crest Whitening Emulsion. This is a great product. It really, really works. I love it. I think you will too. And that is just my point of view.